in this question number 7 we have let y is equal to under root e to the power root x. Clear? And further it can be write as is implies that y is equal to e to the power root x to the power 1 upon 2. Clear? Now differentiating both side with respect to x. So if we differentiating both sides with respect to x, we get dy upon dx is equal to d upon dx e to the power root x and its whole power is 1 upon 2. Clear? So we can write it as 1 upon 2 differentiation of e to the power x and whole power 1 upon 2. So e to the power root x to the power 1 upon 2 minus 1. Clear? And differentiation of d upon dx e to the power root x. Clear? So ये differentiation में क्या changes हैं? If we have differentiation of any square or any variable, so how we find the differentiation of this? We know that if suppose that the power is n, so we write n x to the power n minus 1. Clear? पावर में 1 माइनस हो जाता है और पावर का मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा उससे. क्लियर? तो यहाँ पे भी देखिए आप रूट e to the power root x whole power is 1 upon 2. So it can be written as 1 upon 2 e to the power root x 1 upon 2 minus 1 into again differentiation of x d upon dx. So we know that differentiation of x is 1, so that's why it. So again differentiation of e to the power root x. Clear? Okay, in next step we can understand it. 1 upon 2 and it can be written as e to the power root x to the power minus 1 upon 2 and d upon dx e to the power root x. Clear? Okay, so further it can be written as 1 upon 2 and e to the power root x to the power plus 1 upon 2. क्लियर? क्योंकि माइनस है ये डिनोमिनेटर में आके प्लस हो जाएगा. एंड डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ ई टू द पावर रूट एक्स, सो द डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ एक्सपोनेंट फंक्शन रिमेनिंग सेम बट डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ डी अपॉन डी एक्स रूट एक्स. क्लियर? रूट एक्स का फिर से डिफरेंशिएशन हो जाएगा. सो व्हाट वी गेट ई टू द पावर रूट एक्स अपॉन 2 रूट e to the power root x, क्योंकि 1 upon 2 को रूट में लिख दिया है into. Now differentiation of root 2x. So how can we differentiate root 2x? We can differentiate root 2x as, again we can write it as 1 upon 2. So d upon dx and x to the power 1 upon 2. Clear? Now we can find out the differentiation of this is as e to the power root x upon 2 root e to the power root x into 1 upon 2 x to the power minus 1 upon 2 and d upon dx, so that is 1. So finally we can write it as this implies that e to the power root x upon 2 to the 4 root e to the power root x into 1 upon root x. Clear? So the result can be finally we can write it as e to the power root x upon 4. It is root, it is also root, so x e to the power root x. Clear? So that is our dy upon dx. Clear? Question number 8. Log x and x is greater than 1. So we can find it as, let again y is equal to log x. Clear? So differentiating both sides, with respect to x. So if we differentiate both sides with respect to x, so we get dy upon dx is equal to d upon dx and log x. Clear? Differentiation of this can be written as log, the differentiation of log, and this we can say it is log x, means a variable. So we write 1 upon log x into differentiation of d upon dx log x. Clear? So हम लोग डिस्कस कर चुके हैं डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ log x, दैट इज log x d upon dx 1 upon x. तो जो भी यहाँ पे होगा वो डिनोमिनेटर में जाएगा, एंड अगेन डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ x, सो d upon dx upon dx, दैट इज 1. इस केस में 1 होगा, बट यहाँ पे log x है, इसका अगेन डिफरेंशिएशन होगा. सो dy upon dx, so dy upon dx is equal to 1 upon log x, and the differentiation of log x is 1 upon x, and again differentiation, that is 1. So what we have get finally 1 upon x log x, that is our differentiation dy upon dx. Clear? This is question number 8. Cos x upon log x. Clear? So we can let y is equal to cos x upon log x. Clear? So it is clearly that we will apply a quotient rule. Clear? And that is v u upon v dash is equal to u dash v minus v dash u upon v square. Clear? So u or v you have already, so we can write it as cos is v and v is log and u is equal to cos. So directly we can write differentiating with both side with respect to x. So we differentiate both sides, we get dy upon dx is equal to log x whole square. Okay, differentiation of cos and log remaining as it is, so log x and differentiation of d upon dx cos x minus cos remaining as it is and differentiation of log x. Clear? So log x and differentiation of cos is minus sin x minus cos x remaining same and differentiation of log is 1 upon x upon log x whole square. Clear? So now next we can arrange them. So minus sin x log x minus cos x and x log x whole square. So we can take minus common, so what we get, x is also there, so minus taking outside cos x plus x sin x log x upon x log x whole square, that is our dy upon dx. Clear? This is our dy upon dx. And finally question number 10. In question number 10 we have given cos log cos x plus e to the power x. So again y is equal to cos log x plus e to the power x, differentiating both side by x. So dy upon dx is equal to differentiation of cos. The differentiation of cos is minus sin log x plus e to the power x again, and differentiation of theta, so log x plus e to the power x. So minus sin log x plus e to the power x into differentiation of log x is 1 upon x plus, and differentiation of e to the power x is remaining e to the power x. So finally it can be written as minus sin log x plus e to the power x plus, we can write it as into 1 plus x e to the power x upon x. Overall 1 minus 1 plus x e x upon x into sin log x plus e to the power x. This is our dy upon dx. Clear? And this is the last question of this exercise 5.4. In my next video we will discuss the differentiation of logarithmic function. Clear?